Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to fill series number in Excel. So there is a fast way you can fill the series in Excel. I will show you the two ways. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay. So first way, you have to click two number 1 and 2 and just select and hold this corner by holding your left button of your mouse and just drag. Okay, drag as much you want. Okay, you can see I drag 110. Okay, so this solution for the if you have small data or small working sheet, but if you have used data around 10,000 20,000, so it will be trouble you to make fill series like this. So how you can make it? Okay, so I just delete it and show you the another way. So select, enter the one here. Now go to the home and here you have to click on fill. Okay, click on fill and just click down. One second. Okay, click on fill and click on series, and here you have to select rows or column. So column means it will be fill down column, or even if you select rows, it will be fill from rows. Okay, every rows. Select columns, select liner, and step one value to stop whatever you want. I just stop with by on 1000 and just click OK. Okay, I did not select the one number, so select keep your cursor on, select your number first and go to the fill again, go to the series and select columns and fill numbers that you want. Just click OK. You can see all numbers has been filled up to it is at 1000. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.